na ka jingmi jing o jingnam na ki pai ba nong shung snong ha ka bai dei ba ka jing kerdu ba Tyrkhong umbam ha ki ba bon ki snong hanong ba Shillong ka lapan long yu Marcuise and Marak menteri badai khmi iktanat public health engineering PHE ban ai ki jing pensyai lor kani ha ba kran sigila phai khubor ka no phai si ka khat nyau trek no pra option Marcuise long ba ka jing kerdu ka dei na ma ka jing bthai pipe ha 101 area na ma ka jing pentrei ka package 1 chong ka project surok Shillong tomobil Ula pensyai ba kacing penslam ban snai pipe kadai na mar ka jingjan jar berti ik khendau ba kumta gil haban penya no pipe na ka wei par ka chaka ula pente ba menta ka sngi an plaj no hakato ka ni kisnong hanong ba ka ba sngi ba buat pat an plaj shaboro kisnong lalor ka taw la kanoru ba ka daw ka jingdu hanong ba Shillong kadai na mar jing trei torti ka NHIDCL bat ulai thoru bla Thung yak kunhun ban token
This has happened actually inside the NHIDCL constructed road, newly constructed road, and the leakage was well inside the new constructed NHIDCL road, and it was very difficult to excavate to the point where the pipe is laid. So therefore the department has no other option but to go for a alternative line, and department has gone for the alternative line around stretches of 300 meters. New line has been created, pipes have been laid, for which it has taken some time. I think 8 days altogether till today. It is 8 days today. So therefore it has taken some time because new line has to be created, because the earlier line which was broken and water was leakage inside could not be repaired at all because of the NHIDCL work. This has happened, at the same time when PHE department is realigning the pipes because of the highway construction by NHIDCL. So fortunately, we have taken some NOCs and some permissions whichever was required for laying the pipes all alongside the road. Otherwise, it would have taken so long. So I understand people have suffered a lot. I would assure people that PHE department has taken a lots of pain. Whole night officers were camping there, doing the work. They have not slept well till last 1 week, and they have been doing the work. So now everything is restored, everything is completed, all the works are completed, and we are hoping to release the water gradually after some time from today evening, but full volume of water will be released by tomorrow. The cause of the leakage, as I said, was because of the rod construction. The rod were constructed above the pipe laid, where pipe were laid, and that pipe could not be excavated because it is well inside the NHIDCL constructed rod. Probably while constructing the road, they might have touched the pipes there, and because of which the pipe have broken. Yes, as I have already mentioned earlier, that realignment of pipes were happening, and it was happening, alongside the construction of the roads. But then this portion were not completed, but they have gone ahead, and they have gone ahead and they have constructed. And this NHIDCL, is provoking most of the time in somewhere some portion of the works. So our officers are on the job, and time and again they are meeting and they are clearing whatever doubts are there. So this portion was left and realignment was happening. So because of that, it has happened. It has caused some serious communication gap between the same NHIDCL. It has to be, NHIDCL should have taken strong measures, and they should have informed PHE department before laying all those constructed roads. This we are trying to request the government, from the government level, inquiry should be conducted and action should be taken as per the inquiry report. That's what we will be requesting the government to constitute an inquiry at the government level for inquiry and act accordingly. Now we are releasing partially because the anchoring, we call it anchoring, in the band pipes, anchoring needs to be cured. So incurring curing will take almost 12 hours. So therefore, we cannot release full amount of water. We are releasing partially so that localities get some portion of water. Government of India is not releasing the fund. But however, Government of India has called for a meeting day before yesterday. All the chief engineers of all the states were called to Delhi and they had a meeting. And I was briefed by chief engineer today that Government of India will be releasing very soon, but it will be in the month of January, because some of the states were having lots of difficulties with the JJM projects, and they are told to rectify the problems or issues that they were having. No, work is up to the mark. Everything is online here in Meghalaya. We have completed around 83 plus percentage in Meghalaya. There are some discrepancies which we are rectifying, but I was talking about other states. Other states are having lots of issues and problems, because of which Government of India said that, see, you address to those issues and problems and concerns, and after that we will release the fund. So the chief engineers meeting, chief engineers of all the states were called to Delhi and they had a meeting and were informed that once it is done, almost every state is complying to the direction of this central government, and then once that is completed, they'll be releasing the fund. That will happen most probably by January 2026. See, whatever completed bills online, I mean MIS, those are already completed, third party inspections and ready for payment. Those are 700 plus in our state. Other states are huge. 700 plus crores in the state of Meghalaya. Not much here. Some of the discrepancies, some officers will need to take actions against some of the contractors. Those were pending, so we have already directed the concerned officers, or else they'll be taken to task. Some parts of the state, not much, only few, 1-2 projects, I think. No, they will be doing the rectification. They have already assured the rectification part, and once that is done, we will report it back to the Government of India, because they are the one who said you have to take some kind of measures for that.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.